Well, good morning. I'm out here in the pole barn this morning. It's a little bit chilly out. It's not too bad out of the wind in the barn. And since the last time, I have went ahead and sanded down the areas of rust. It's probably not perfect. Tried to get most of it out, but you can probably see, yeah, right there you can see one of them. There's still some pinholes, like pits, I would say, that I didn't quite get all the way. And I don't want to dig into those that much. What I'm thinking I'm going to do is call it pretty good. Maybe spray it down. This side's maybe even a little bit worse. Right in this area is the worst part. But not bad. Maybe spray it down with some of the rust reformer. And hopefully that'll do the trick and keep it from rusting out. The rest of the back hatch here, we'll probably just go ahead and Scotch-Brite, sand, and just kind of rough it up so the paint will stick to it. Then I'll primer the whole thing. So if I'm missing a step, or my idea of hitting this with the rust reformer is not a good idea, drop me a comment. Let me know where I'm screwing up. Like I say, I'm not much of a body work sort of guy. I've not really done much body work at all. This is the first foray into it. I take that back. I did it once when I was a kid on an old car, but it wasn't a car I really cared about that much. So it was the first car I'm trying to do a halfway decent job. And then the other question I have is down here. You can see how the clear coat is coming off on this plastic bumper. Is there anything, what do I need to do here? I'm guessing same thing I'm doing up here, which is repaint the whole thing. But if you have a different suggestion, let me know. That prep work for that will be next, and then also the wing over there, which needs to be sanded down. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Like I said, give me a comment. Let me know what I'm not thinking about on here. What am I making a mistake? Is that good enough? I can hit it with a little bit of rust reformer to get into the little pits, or is that a bad thing to do? Thanks for any comments. We'll catch y'all later. Bye.